Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to link your YouTube account to your Facebook page. So let's go to Facebook page first. This is the Facebook profile. You have to click on this account option or the uh, uh, profile icon, which is top right corner, and you have to choose your Facebook page from here, or the switch to your Facebook page. Then you have to click on this uh, Facebook page name or the profile name. Then you have to click on this about. Now scroll down and you'll find this option, website and social links. You have to click on this pencil icon and you have to click on this add a social link. Now you have to choose here from YouTube. You can see at the drop down, click on this and find YouTube, this one, and you have to paste here your YouTube account or the YouTube account link. Okay, after pasting the link you have to click on save. Then it is all done. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.